All right.
Widen this a little more.
Let's not get too close, bro.
Yeah. You can show yourself. Here, I'm going to go to select speak. Ghost tube. It's calibrating. Alright. I got a device here you could talk. You could say words and it'll listen. And I'll be able to hear you. Did you crash here? Hammer. Huh. What was the hammer for?
Or what about a hammer?
Yeah. Do you wish to speak?
We don't mean any harm. We just want to communicate. That's it.
I wasn't here when I heard about the crash. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry you had to pass away like that. Do you want to talk? So what, is like right in this little area that we're walking on? Or just a little further?
The graveyard's up further. The accident, she actually crashed in a house close to my place, actually.
Jesus, fuck.
So, yeah.
It was a girl?
It was a woman. I don't know her. I can't remember her name, but yeah,
Oh.
she unfortunately crashed in the general vicinity of Brocklehurst. I don't remember the exact address that I heard. So, yeah.
That's crazy.
But no. Just the airplane graveyard's right here.
Alright, so she doesn't want to talk. So we're just going to maybe switch over to EVP. It seems we're getting better hits on that, eh?
EVP, yeah.
So, alright, we're going to communicate with you through EVP out in the vehicle.
Did you... Oh, in the vehicle?
Huh?
In the vehicle?
Yeah, we could.
Did you want to do it? I was
Yeah.
thinking we might get better hits outside, to be honest, but if you want to do it in...
know. Fucking Padova, man. Jesus Christ, like I never...
That's good content, though.
Fucking ran so fast when you honked the horn.
Well, we just wanted to tell you it was pointing at you, bro. That's it. We didn't mean to scare you.
Well, obviously something's clinged on to me, or because I've opened the door, maybe. I don't fucking know.
Probably it's how this stuff works usually.
Yeah, it's okay. YOLO. Alright, well, I'm going to close the app here.
Gonna go back inside?
Yeah, let's go
Okay.
in the car.
I'm gonna pause recording.